Welcome back to Josh's Pokemon Corner. Today we have Sumo King Wrestling RC Fighters. Guess where I got it?
Where?
Round 1! Let's get to it. There's sumo wrestlers and the remote control. This is gonna be fun. It includes 2 remotes. Just move your players back and forth. The first one to fall loses. They feel like rubber and their heads feel like plastic. The remote control needs 9-volt batteries. Looks like batteries are not included. It's got wheels to spin around, and this guy is like, I mean, this guy is like, this is how we will battle. And I'll show you how they work. But first we need to find some batteries.
In the blue corner we have Mommy. On the red corner we have Joshua. Now Sumo! And Joshua has a spin method going on. I guess they're trying to show off to the crowd. But still, they're spinning and spinning. Oh, they're butt to butt. What's happening? Booty to booty. Oh, that's a method. Oh, no. What's happening? Fight. Fight to the death. Oh, it's the booty method. It's the booty method. Oh. Mommy loses. Joshua wins. Oh yeah. Good job. What do you think, Josh? He loves it. Round 2, we have blue corner, Mommy.
Daddy, you can't look.
Red corner, Joshua. On your marks. Get set. Sumo! Oh, and they butt bellies. Oh, and Joshua knocks Mommy over. The no-look blind method. You weren't even watching.
I didn't look because
He didn't look and he still won. So we're tied. It's 1-1. We went back to the tape and it's 1-1. Josh is gonna do the no-look method again. And Sumo! Oh, Josh is like, oh! Now that's a win we can put into the books. Now do a victory dance.